It's Friday, 6:27 a.m. in Japan. Guys, ayan, let's eat our breakfast. Don't skip. I have my apples, kamaboko tomatoes, and cheese roll bread. As you notice, inalis ko na yung 3-in-1 coffee sa buhay ko kasi ayoko ng matamis. May matamis, nagle-less tayo ng sugar. Yan. And as much as possible, ang rice ko 3 kutsara lang kung kakain ako ng rice. Pero sa gabi hindi na ako nagra-rice. Yan. Green tea lang. No coffee. Para bawas din everyday din yung sugar ng coffee na yun. Kaya hindi na ako nag-coffee. Tsaka rice. Binabawasan ko na rin.